Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce malware threats with McAfee, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by installing McAfee on your computer. Visit the official McAfee website to download the software. Choose the version that best fits your needs. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, open the McAfee application. You'll be greeted by the home screen, which displays your protection status. To enhance your security, click on the Scan option. Select Full Scan for a comprehensive check of your entire system. Wait for the scan to complete and review any detected threats. If threats are found, follow the recommendations to remove them. Next, navigate to the Update section of the software. Ensure that your antivirus definitions are up to date. This will help keep your protection current against new malware threats. Now, configure real-time scanning settings. Enable real-time scanning to monitor your system continuously. This feature will alert you to potential threats in real time. Next, explore the firewall settings within McAfee. Activate the firewall for additional protection against unauthorized access. Regularly check the firewall rules to ensure they align with your security needs. Now, let's move to web protection. Enable features such as Web Advisor to block malicious websites. This will help prevent you from accidentally downloading malware. Consider setting up scheduled scans. Automated scans will ensure your system remains clean over time. Review your privacy settings to safeguard personal information. Enable features like identity theft protection. This will alert you to potential risks concerning your data. Finally, educate yourself about safe browsing habits. Avoid clicking on unfamiliar links or downloading suspicious files. Regularly review your security settings and adjust as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.